Good day everyone. For today's video, we're gonna focus on discussion all about the Pythagorean theorem. So, Pythagorean theorem is mathematical principle that states that the square of the hypotenuse of a right triangle is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. So this is the illustration below on how the two equal side or the two square of a and b is equal to the side of our the value of our hypotenuse, the square of our hypotenuse. So a squared, our formula here is e squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So let's try, and for example, if we have the opposite side is equals to 6 and our adjacent side is equals to 8. So to find the value of our hypotenuse here, we need to substitute all the value of our a to the formula. So the formula now we need to use is c squared is equals to e squared plus b squared. Then we need to substitute all the corresponding values. Then after that, we need to simplify the two corresponding values, or the we need to simplify the value of 6 squared and 8 squared. So 6 squared is equals to 36 and 8 squared is equals to 64. Then after that, we need to add uh, these two integers to get the value of our c squared and square both side to eliminate square in the variable c, and our the value of c here now is equal to 10. Then let's try another example. What if the missing value is the adjacent side? So all we need to do is we need to derive the formula from c squared is equals to e squared plus b squared. Using the derivation formula, we can get this, or we can uh, come up this kind of formula, no? So from here to here, so b squared is equals to c squared minus e squared. So like uh, like you know like before, we need to do is we need to substitute the corresponding value of the opposite side and the hypotenuse side. So the opposite side is equals to 6. Then the hypotenuse side is equals to 10 squared. So that we can simplify this corresponding value. So 10 squared is equals to 100. Then 6 squared is equal to 36. Then we need to subtract 10, or what we need to subtract 100 to 36. So 100 minus 36 is equals to 64. Then square both side to cancel out the square sign or the exponent squared. So we get this, the value of our b here is equals to 8. In this moment, the missing values is the value of our opposite. So we can use the formula of e squared is equals to c squared minus b squared. This formula is come from c squared is equals to e squared plus b squared using the derivative method. Then just try it on your own to check your knowledge learned from me. And that's all for this video, guys. I hope you learn, and God bless everyone.